Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam updates stuck downloading forever. A Steam update that appears to download forever without making progress can be caused by a variety of issues, including problems with the installation drive, network adapter glitches, permission conflicts, or corrupted Steam files. While the update may appear frozen, the underlying cause is often something preventing Steam from properly downloading or writing files. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to get the update moving again. The first thing to consider is whether the drive where Steam is installed may be contributing to the problem. Open File Explorer and determine where Steam is currently installed. If your computer has multiple drives or disks available, one troubleshooting option is to move Steam to a different drive. To do this, open Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Locate Steam in the list of installed applications. Select it and click Uninstall. Once the uninstall process is complete, reinstall Steam and choose a different drive during installation. Sometimes installation drives develop permission issues, file system errors, or performance problems that interfere with updates. Installing Steam on another drive can help determine whether the original storage location is causing the issue. After reinstalling Steam on the alternate drive, test the update again. If the update remains stuck, the next step is to refresh your network connection. Open Settings and navigate to Network Status. From there, click Change Adapter Options. This displays all available network adapters on your computer. Locate the network connection you are currently using. Right-click the adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable. Disabling and enabling the adapter forces Windows to refresh the network connection and obtain a new connection state. This can resolve temporary communication problems that may be preventing Steam from downloading updates properly. Once the connection is restored, reopen Steam and test the update again. If the problem still persists, the final step is to ensure Steam is running with sufficient permissions. Locate the Steam installation folder and find the main Steam executable file. Right-click the Steam application and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Within this tab, locate Run this program as an administrator. Enable the option and click OK. Running Steam as an administrator grants elevated permissions that allow the client to create, modify, and update files more effectively. Permission-related issues are a common reason why updates become stuck, particularly when Steam cannot properly write files to the installation directory. After enabling the setting, reopen Steam and attempt the update again. It is important to understand that some Steam updates may appear stalled when Steam is actually performing background tasks such as verifying files, unpacking downloaded content, allocating disk space, applying patches, writing files to storage. Before assuming the update is frozen, it can be helpful to check disk activity through Task Manager Performance. If disk usage remains active, Steam may still be processing the update. To summarize, fixing a Steam update that is stuck downloading forever begins by considering whether Steam should be moved to another drive. You can uninstall Steam through Settings, Apps, Apps and Features, and reinstall it on a different disk if multiple drives are available. If that doesn't help, open Network Status, change Adapter Options, disable and then re-enable your network adapter. Finally, locate the Steam executable, open Properties, Compatibility, enable Run this program as an administrator, and restart Steam. These steps help address storage issues, network glitches, and permission conflicts that commonly cause updates to become stuck. And that's how to fix a Steam update that seems stuck downloading forever. By checking the installation drive, refreshing your network adapter, and ensuring Steam has administrative permissions, you can resolve many of the most common causes of stalled updates and get your downloads progressing normally again. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.